So I spent 30 years as a scout leader, and in the Boy Scouts we had a motto. Anybody know what that is? Yeah, you back by the water cooler. That's right. Be prepared. Are you prepared?
You get a knock at your door. It's a police officer telling you there's been a natural disaster. You have 5 minutes to pack what you can and leave town. Are you ready? Top of your list of things to take would be non-perishable, high-protein food, enough for 3 days, and make sure it's something that you like to eat. You'll need some way to heat up food and water for cleaning. A small single-burner stove or a lava gel oven are ideal for that purpose. You'll also like to have some waterproof matches and some lighters. Experts recommend at least a gallon of water per person per day. You can tote the full supply in pouches or jugs or opt to treat water on the go with lighter options like portable water filters and water purification chemicals. You'll need a mess kit and utensils to prepare your meals. Other helpful items will include a multi-tool, a small pair of scissors, and a whistle. We can't forget toilet paper. Masks might come in handy in case it's smoky. A good flashlight and an extra pair of batteries. Prescription medication, pain relievers, and other health aids are also a very important part of your 72-hour kit. Having a map, some way to charge your cell phone, and some extra cash are always great things to have on hand. Lastly, you'll need some way to carry your 72-hour kit. A small backpack would be ideal. Everything you need for your 72-hour kit and more can be found at the world-famous Western Drug, Pharmacy, and General Store. Make sure you mark your calendars for Saturday, September 21st and help Western Drug celebrate their 90th anniversary. You'll save money on much of what we've discussed today for your 72-hour kits, as well as great savings throughout the store. Keep checking our Facebook page for continuous updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the store.